So there are some different things, tools are we are using. So when we create a website, we are going to be hosting the server. Okay. So how to do? The first one is so there is a GitHub account you should have. So what is a GitHub account? If you just go here, GitHub or a GitLab. So I will suggest you go with the GitLab. Okay. So if you GitLab and create a one account. So as like you are creating a Gmail account, so you can create or else okay. So this is a free and open source. So like that. So already I have created my GitHub account here. Okay. So this is a my GitHub account. So here what happening? So I will log into system. So first of all, what is a GitHub in the sense? 1 minute. So GitHub is a repository. It is going to be store your all project code. So why we need it in sense? See, so many work from home is going, work is going. No, so how the code is sharing? Everybody they are working, and how the where it is code is sharing, and how the collaboration is happening. So this is the GitHub. Okay. So already I have created a, projects and all. If you don't have a project, so just create a project here. Okay. So just create a project here. What is the project name? The create a blank project. Yes, I have created a blank project. Then what is the project name? The project name is something like that. My website. Okay. So then make it as a public initialization. So it is I have created a okay. So it is asking the any group or something like that. Okay. So this is a okay. So create a project. So then it is going to be create a my website Git repository. So this is my repository. It is created. So now what I have to do? I have to clone to my local system. Okay. So today I want to start a new website. Then I need to host it inside a where we can say uh, in the where let's say first we'll create a one website here. In the D folder, I will open my folder training batches. I guess it's there. So I want to create a one more folder called website. Okay. So I want to clone here. CMD git how to clone. So here I want to go here. So here it is clone is there. So here you have to take the http link. So what is this link? So then what you have to do? So git clone, right click, install. Okay. So if you don't have a git in system, so just go here, download the git. See, before cloning the website, so you have to download the git. Okay. Git download, you just type it. So it is going to be give the one link. So here it is a sorry git for windows. Here is the link is there. You have to click and a .exe file will become. Click next. Okay. So that is a click. Sorry, git. So or else your command will be not worked here. Okay. So if you type it here, no internal or external command will come. Why? Because you need to install the git. So then it you have to open the command prompt and call the git clone http. This is the website is cloned. So let's close it. So we'll go here. So see here in the website I have cloned here. The my website is came here. Okay. So where is the my website here? The my website is here. So this is my git repository. So what it contains? It is containing the Git all the files and README. So what it contains all the information, whose account it is, what project it is, what is the all the uh, what is the access condition, everything it will be there. Okay. So now what I have to do? So I want to create a website. Okay, so I don't have a time to create a full website. So I will take a one free website template. Okay, so I will open a Bootstrap made one template. So these are all the free for the testing purpose or for personal use. So I want to host this website. Okay, this is a live demo. So I want to download a free here. Okay, so it is started downloaded and it is here. So we'll go here. So it's okay, still downloading. So open in a folder. So I want to extract this folder. Right click, extract all, browse. Where is my project folder? D, history my go, training batches, August, website, my website. Okay, I want to extract here. So I want to extract it here. So all the code is coming to extracted code is coming here. Where is my website? So here it is on my website. So here in the folder, it is extracting all those things. Okay, so it is already built website is there. So I don't want to do any much thing here. Okay, so just I'm going in append, open a index.html. Okay, so this website is already built. Okay, so daily you are going to do like this, but I don't have a time to build a website now. So just I took a one template. So let's say I designed. So I designed website, then I need to host it to in a cloud. Okay, so which cloud we have to use? So many clouds are there. So let it be. So first what I will do, I will take this whole code into Control X. That is a cut, and I want to paste here. Then this folder is empty, so then I want to delete this one. Shift delete, deleted. Okay, so now what I have to, so I want to create a, so okay, so I have created a website, then I need to host a website, right? So then what I will do, I will go here, Netlify. So Netlify is a one thing, it is going to be creator, you can host a n number of website. Okay, so I think 100 plus you can host a website. So this is a open source. So then I log in here. From the login, again you have to create a account. Okay, because or else you can log in with your Gmail, because I already have an account with this one. Login. Okay, so this is the my what is called. So this is a my let's say this is called a cloud. So let's say I already hosted a website, this one and this one, it's running here. So Netlify. So your website is hosted. Once it will come like this. Once you host a website, no, so it will come like this. You have to click here. Okay, it is taking a little bit time. So meanwhile, I want to go for the sites. Okay, so I want to add a new site. Okay, so there is a two possibilities there. So you can go here, deploy manually means, so you can browse and deploy. So what is the application here? So you are going here, the my website is there. So just drag and drop. Or else if you just click here in the D drive, August 2022. Sorry, in the D drive, history my own training patches. So here it is containing the our files. So I can upload like this also, but don't do this one. So you can add through GitHub account. So why I will tell you. So for that, what I will do, I want to add a new site, import from the existing or start from the import from the existing. See here, let's deploy our project from the GitHub and GitLab and deploy Gitbucket, deploy Azure DevOps. So here I already have an account here. Okay, then I have created a website. So I will link this account. Okay, so how to link this account? Let's close this one. See, this is website is hosted and it is running in the live. Okay, so this is how it is running. Okay, all the videos and all. So freely we are using. So this is how you have to know. You will get to know how to deploy the server as well. Okay, so let's close this one. I want to link my project. So I want to link my GitHub. So already it is authenticated to the my GitHub account. See here, Vishu Modi Dev. My account name is Vishu Modi Dev. So this is a account is already is there. See here, the my website already I created no 8 minutes ago. So that is I will click here. I will link here. From where? From GitLab to Netlify. So I don't want to do anything. So just I will click a build a deploy. So it is going to be create a one website. See, site is in a deploy in progress. See, now it is a deploying your site. So set up a custom domain. If you have a domain like something www.google.com, so you can add it. Then if you have a once it is completed this state, so this is the darkness is there. This darkness will come here. Okay. So buy a new domain or something like that. It is there. So okay, let it be. So complete the all the three steps. So meanwhile, what I will do? So I have created a GitHub account. So now it is an empty. So I want to push my code, right? So how to push a code? So here it is my website. I want to push to my GitHub. So here it is. See, empty files are there. Okay, is it completed? Okay, let's click here. So now there is nothing is there. So I have created a what is called GitLab account, and I created a website that is a Git repository. So that Git repository I have uploaded to my local system. Okay, from the local system, and I have created a website as well. Okay, so now what I want to do? I want to clone to this website to cloud cmd. So git add. So it is going to be add to my GitHub repository, so GitLab repository. So git add happen. So we need to check whether it is app what and all updated. Git status, sorry, git status. See, these are all the files it is updated. Then git commit -m hosted initial website. Enter. So git push. So it is going to be add your code to the cloud or a Git repository. So it is added. See, all like 100%, writing an object 100%. So this is success. So then what I will do? Just I will open here. Just I will run here. See, my code, local code is I pushed from the local system to the GitLab. See here, just now is created. So now automatically this code will be available for the this Netlify. Just reload once. Okay. So just reload once. So then click here. Got it. See, my website is now cloud URL. You can go here, copy here, go to the your Trello account, something like that. So this is a week two, right? You have to type your name at the end of the let's say my name is Vishwanath. So I am also one of the member Vishwanath. Website URL with this one and 70% done. So you have to comment like this. Next, Vidya will be commented. Then Siddesh. Everyone has to be completed. So daily one website is a target. So try to do one target I have given. If you take a 2 days also fine. So not more than that. Okay. So any confusion means you can ask me. So what I will do, I will not ask you directly. I will just go here, click here, open. Oh, okay, Vishwanath, this watch is done website. Okay, I think he is completed a website. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. This much is completed. So I will get to know for every week you are updated. Then we are suddenly I want to take a mock interview for you guys. So that's why. So this is how you have to add it to the Trello account. Okay. So this is how this is for adding your what you can say account. First one is what? So you are going to be create a one folder here, then you are going to be write a code here, so your website you have built, then after that you are going for the uh, what you can say GitLab account, then you are going to be creator. So what you are going to do, you are going to be create a new repository. So for the repository, for why we need a repository, the repository is for to creating a, or storing a website. Okay. So or anything, website or so you know how to create. So just click here, new. So here it is. If you click means a new project will repository will be created. So let's say I once it is created, it will come like this. So then you have to go here. Then you have to select a drop down. Then copy this one, HTTPS, not SSH. So copy. Then you already created a website here, no? So just go here, CMD. So git clone, right click, just press enter. It is going to be create a git repository folder. So that repository is containing a two folders. So that is called a git and a readme file. So this is the very important. Whose git repository, what it contains, and everything. All information is there. Login credential, authentication, everything it is there. So once you created website, then how you are going to do? So UMD. So you're going to be add a git add. So it is added. So git state. This next command is git commit minus m added initial code or something like that. You can write anything. Add so git push, because already I have pushed on the that, that's why I'm not doing. So git push means it is going to be add here. Once you add it here, automatically it is going to be come to this GitLab repository. From automatically it is coming to the Netlify account. So I told that there are the two possibilities there. So directly you can browse and deploy, or else you can link a GitHub or a GitLab account. So what is the advantage means? So every time no need to upload here. So just if you added a git push, no, automatically this URL will be updated. Okay, that's why. So every time you no need to browse and upload files. Fine. So this is how to deploy and post a Netlify